Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullitt Motorsports, and right next to me is not my Grand National. This is Vincent's brand new ride, 55,000 miles, tasteful modifications, and today he gets to go for his first test drive in this beautiful black machine. If you guys want to find out full details on this ride, you can't because it's sold already. So click on the link below to see some additional photos that we're going to have on our Instagram, so we'll have a link there so you can see some beautiful artistic pictures of it. Let's do it. Before we do this review, I want to kind of give you guys a background on Vincent. So Vincent has a family, he has 7 children and a wife, and he's always taking care of them. Based on meeting him, I can tell that he's a workaholic and everything is about everybody else, and most likely his priorities are not for himself. I know he's been looking for a Grand National for several years, and he's always looked at our site, and we posted one on Instagram, which was not the one he actually looked at. When his wife called me, I said that maybe this was not the right one, but we have something else coming in, and this car would be perfect. So right now, what you're gonna get to see is someone seeing their car for the first time and going for a test drive, and you're gonna see the emotion and us being able to fulfill his passion for himself. So if you guys are looking for a vehicle like this and you wanna have honest representation, look no further. Click on the link below for full details on all of our inventory, and be sure to follow our social media because that's where you're going to get to see cars before they get listed up, so you can give us a call. We can tell you exactly how it is. Once again, if you guys have any questions, give us a call. Be sure to support us. We have merchandise below, so we have a Shopify with Grand National items, t-shirts, hats, keychains, stickers, a whole 9 yards. Let's go for this review. So now that we're standing next to your new car, what do you think? So when you were looking for this, what did you have your appeal on? So were you looking for something that you could enjoy for the weekends, or did you want something that was near perfect?
I wanted something that was near perfect, and I've been studying Bullitt Motorsports and yourself for a long time, and I knew that the only decision was to obtain it from you with your blessing on it. So
I appreciate that.
So that was my lead.
I just wanted to tell you how it was. We had another one that you looked at that I basically told your wife no.
You did.
And then I sent her a picture of this one, and she's like, oh, I don't know about the T-top options. He wanted a hard top, but then you saw the pictures and you fell in love with it.
Immediately.
So we've had it for a couple of days getting it prepped up for Vincent. This is a very original paint car, so you still have your original rock art on the bottom. It does have updates, so you have spool front bumper fillers, updated headlights, and the paint is extremely nice for being original, which is rare because normally they'll have checking throughout. All of your badging is very nice. I believe I actually replaced the badging when we sold this first. So we sold this in January of 2022 to a good customer of ours in Louisiana, and we were able to acquire it back, and he did some really good work to it. So updated suspension, bigger sway bars, Willwood, nice set of weld wheels with Nitto 555R, so you're gonna get good traction. This does have a 6262 turbo, updated downpipe, which we'll show you later on, but when you're looking at the body condition, the sides are very, very nice. They're not straight like this normally. So when you see something that has 55,000 miles and is in this condition, it's a good one. You want to move it, or I'll move it if you want?
No, it's
All right, let's spin this thing around.
She is so beautiful. I still can't believe that this is mine.
One thing I like to look at is the body condition, especially for a T-top car. You want to look at the body lines here to see if there's any imperfections or stress cracks. That would signify that there was some abuse in the past. Remember, this is from 1987. This one is extremely solid. All of your quarters are very nice. There's no imperfections here. And let me show you the interior. So when you open up this door, all of your door edges are very nice. Your Fisher pieces right here are in very good condition. The interior, the seat components are proper. That's original material. It does have an updated stereo, so you have JL components and a nice touchscreen that adds to the enjoyment of this car. So when you're looking at that, you wanted that, right?
It's very appealing, yes it is.
Yep. And then all the rubbers are still original, so that signifies that this is a real deal 55,000 mile car. They're gonna get it all replaced by Freddie. Freddie will take care of that. Closing the door is my favorite part. That's nice. let's pop the hood, take a look at all the performance parts. Taking a look under the hood, you have the 3.8 liter turbocharged power plant. This does have some updates. So you have a 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch single exhaust, which sounds great. That's my preference. You have the GN1 Performance radiator stack, so you're gonna have 2 big fans to actually keep this thing cool. You have a Champion radiator, updated high output alternator, MAF translator. This does have a turbo tweak chip, so you're running around 16, 17 pounds, which is super safe and conservative, makes it really fun. This is retrofitted to 134, which is great. So it was done properly. We actually did that before we sold it the first time. The Duttweiler intercooler is my favorite. So they make it a bigger mouth, and that allows more cool air to come from that hot turbo into the intake. Still has a Power Master, upgraded battery, and obviously the alternator. This battery is for the stereo, so if he wants to put some bass in the back, he can. And this is a very, very competitive battery. You do have an updated sensor for your boost, which is right here. Everything is very tidy. It's a nice, clean example, and I can't wait to give him a test drive in it.
I can't wait either.
So this is from the team. They wanted to print you some pictures. It's got a, I know we didn't have time to take pictures of it, so we got a couple of nice snaps of it so you can keep them. Oh, and some stickers.
Oh, cool.
So just some nice pictures to have.
That is awesome. And thank you guys.
That was all them. So this will be for you. We'll put it with your plate and everything.
That is totally awesome.
You guys ready to jump in and have some fun?
Yes, we are.
All right, so let's take this thing for a spin. We'll let it warm up, and then when we get to our turnaround, I'll give you a little bit of a brake boost so you can see what it does. I'm not gonna do my typical donuts in it.
No?
No, no, we're gonna
taking
be
all the fun out of it.
This all yours.
Yes.
When I own it, if I break it, it's mine. I don't want to break anything today.
For me, it's an honor to have you drive it.
Oh, you get to drive it to work now.
I do.
So we'll jump on Marina Mile. We'll just get like some nice rollers for you, and we'll basically explain what's going on. But what's nice is all the gauges are operating. You have lights that are updated and they look really good. Your windshield wipers will operate, and they're new blades. Hopefully we don't have to use those today.
Amen.
It starts.
Yes, it does. We didn't even make it on the street.
So you'll feel how much more firm it is when you go over like little divots. And then if you ever want to accelerate on the highway, don't ever leave it in overdrive, because it's going to downshift too. That's really harsh on the transmission. You're always going to want to take it out of overdrive.
Okay.
The turbo hasn't even kicked in yet. We're just driving normally. Steering is way tighter than regular, so you're not floating all over the place. AC obviously works, and the center dash is really nice. The T-tops aren't making any rattling. Obviously the gauges are a little heavier, so you could do maybe an adhesive on the top just to hold it in place, but that's because of the additional weight. I mean, what do you think about it?
I think it's gorgeous, but I am in love. And the more you talk about it, the more in love I fall.
So when his wife contacted us through social media, and all I sent were 5 photos, and he goes, "I'll take it."
I was done. Originally, I didn't really want the T-tops. I wanted the hard top, but once I saw this, and to have your blessing, I was sold.
I appreciate it. We got to it's getting harder and harder to find nice ones, so our inventory, we used to keep 5 in stock at all times, and we've sold like 115 of them. And now it's like thin pickings, or the price points just are out of this world. So to find nice ones that we can keep circulating, it's a beautiful thing.
Well, I was on the verge of depression too, because I had been looking for the last 6 months, and you haven't really had any.
Yeah.
Which is not normal for you.
No.
And once I saw that, the other one, I was like, I gotta go see it.
Yep.
And
he actually came, it was filthy. We didn't even get to clean it up yet.
It was still gorgeous. And now it's just, everything's a bonus.
Yep. Brakes are amazing too. So. That's one thing you always have to watch out for. If you ever see the brake light, that's going to be your sign to start hunting for either a Hydro Boost setup or a master cylinder conversion. But right now it feels great. I don't see any leaks. There is a procedure you can follow. So if you go on YouTube, how to, when you store the car, if you're not going to drive it, to release the pressure from the ball. So you can find that. I can send you the link too.
Yeah, that was the double pump you were telling me about the other day.
Yep. You don't want the pressure to stay in there because it'll blow the seal out. This one we replaced the ball on it in 2022.
But how long do they normally last? If you do it, if you take care of it.
If you take care of it, I mean, it should last. I've seen them go up to 100,000 miles, but it all depends on a lot of things. All right, so this is the fun part. You have not been in this one yet. We're gonna brake boost it, build boost.
There it is.
Yes.
There it is.
And the brakes are amazing. So.
And the sound.
Yep. Yeah, you can build up a little bit of boost. That's what dreams are made of right there.
That is.
Turbos.
That is.
So
this dream's finally a reality.
Yep. Yeah, it's awesome.
It is so awesome.
I appreciate you buying it from us, and I thank you for supporting us too.
No, the honor is mine. Like I said, I would have bought it off of nobody else but you, Jonathan.
There's a lot of other good guys out there. Don't say that. I mean,
well, you know, I've studied quite a few of them,
and I'm always open. If someone is in this community, if they see one that they like, they can call me, and I can kind of give them a little bit of guidance too. So I don't mind if I lose a sale if someone is able to get a better car or, you know, have an honest opinion.
Well, that's the thing too, your honesty. When you do go through a car,
yep,
you give the good and the bad.
Yep. It hurts us sometimes, but I think for our reputation, it's great because if you've seen other videos, I will tell you if the car is rough, and that makes a big difference.
And that was a huge part of why I put you on the top of my list. Because of that.
Thank you.
For me, the integrity, it means a lot.
Yeah, that's pretty much a test drive right there. Normally I'd be talking more about the features and all that, but
we are good. I greatly appreciate you.
We'll do one launch just so you can see what it'll do. One launch, that's it.
Nice.
You're like, oh God, my baby.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It's the other way around. Do it up, Jonathan.
All right, here we go. All done, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Wow, that was great. That was so cool. Can't even like wipe the smile off my face.
Enjoy it.
I most definitely will. Thank you so much.
And you've got a good community around here to keep this thing alive, which is really important.
Absolutely. And I will. I promise you.
It worked.
Cheers.